What's up, guys? Welcome to Burger Tactical. Today we got a nice special video, and I have a little issue going on. I did a new build recently, so I'm looking for an optic to not upgrade, but to install my build. We're gonna look at 3 optics to see which one has the advantage over the other, or what's worth it, what's not, at 3 different price costs, so we can get the best value for our money. Because this optics ain't cheap. So let's get started. So on the first category, we got right here the Aero RD2. Now, the good thing about this one, it's a budget optic, but it comes with a magnifier. For the price of both, you get a pretty good package. Going to the next one, we got the Holosun, the AEMS Pro. This is a new one, the Pro X2, and I got it in green. It's a little bit more, but I like green optics, Some people don't like the green ones because they can see blurrier compared to others. Last but not least, we got the big boys, top of the food chain, Eotech. So right here we got the EXPS3, which is the night vision one. And it's the same as the EXPS. It's just that this one does not come with a quick detach. So the difference is it sits a little bit lower, which gives you a full co-witness if you got your iron sights. We'll check out this one and see the advantages and disadvantages. So let's get started on the Aero. Let's open this bad boy. Let me just clear everything out and then put up the 3 objects in front of you instead. All right, guys. So we got 3 optics right here. The Aero, the AEMS, and then the Eotech. All right. So let's talk about the advantages of each. Well, this is the Aero core. So the thing with this one, it only has the MI dot emitter. The advantage with this one, it comes paired with the 3 times from Holosun, which is a pretty huge bonus. I don't know if you've ever gotten into magnifiers, but they're pretty fun. You don't have to strain yourself if you want to do a little bit further. And they got different ones. 3 times is pretty good. They also have the 5 times, which is kind of like a Eotech thing, and the 6 times, which is getting popular too. So the package is good. You get this too. The only thing with this one is pretty basic. You don't get no lens caps. You don't get no, like this one. It's got like the solar panel. This one has the shake to wake feature. It's got the lower 1/3 co-witness. That's a good thing about it. And as you can see, it only has the dot. I know it's got a few night vision settings. It's nice, but the diameter is not that big. I like it. I think I like the magnifier. I think getting both, it's kind of worth it. So you save some money. This is kind of like your basic red dot, and you get your high quality. With this one, the only thing is budget friendly, and you can beat it up, and you can trust like it's the only thing I said. The viewing window is kind of small. I'm more of a square, so yeah, this is the basic run of the mill. Right here, we got our second one. This is the AEMS Pro X2, which is, wow, I love it. First of all, you got that square window, which I like. I put on that anti-reflective. I know I'm not going to be doing any tactical stuff, but I mean, it looks kind of cool, and it came with it. So it comes equipped with a riser, the honeycomb glare remover, and it's pretty sweet. You got some protective lenses right here. This is a green dot. I don't know if you can see. So that's your dot. And it looks way better on person, This is kind of like the circle with no dot in the middle. And then this one kind of completes it with the dot and circle in the middle. This was pretty nice because it's got a whole bunch of advantages. First of all, it's kind of like mid-tier price, not too expensive. Second of all, it's got the shake to wake, which is pretty nice. You never have to worry about turning it on or off. And then also it's got the solar power, which if you ever run out of the battery, you can just take it outside, catch some sun, and it'll work. So you always got a working optic pretty much. It's got 8 daytime lights and then 4 nighttime visions. The cool thing about this is just like I said, it's a regular CR2032 battery, so those guys, they're everywhere, and it promises you almost 50,000 hours of battery life, which is pretty amazing. Plus it's got a 7075 T6 aluminum body, which makes it pretty strong, and it's got that Holosun reliability on it. So I think this is pretty nice package for the price. Now, getting on to the big boy, like I said, top of the food chain, you have this, everyone's going to be looking at you like, hey, well, it's kind of like the dilemma, like the Ferrari dilemma, which is, if you have a Ferrari, people don't care about the Ferrari. They care about what you do, So we're going to check out this guy. This is an actual holographic. Like I said, this is the XPS instead of the XPS. So there's no quick detach on it. You got to actually screw it. And it's got the buttons on the back, which if you have a magnifier, it'll kind of get in the way. So that's why the EXPS kind of came out. They put the buttons on the side. But in the end, it's the same package overall. This one, as I said, this one's is a this aluminum body. It's known for its reliability, you know. Military uses it, law enforcement. The only thing is used this big CR123 battery, and the battery I heard is not that good on this guys right here. So, but the thing is with this one, you get a way clear reticle. Let me see if I can show it to you guys. Yeah, you can barely see it. So the reticle right here, it does not look blurry as people say. But yeah, you can actually kind of see like the prisms, you know, that's got inside. Kind of like, it's like not a solid color. And I guess they do that so you can actually see through. This one's pretty nice because I can actually see the whole circle without being like the stigmatism, you know, that you got the little ghost rings or you got, oh, it's kind of like crazy around. I'll put a picture right there so you can see. This one's nice. The thing is the price. It's expensive, you know. You're talking 600-700 plus. The other problem is the reputation they have. You know, they had some issues before with the glass delaminating. This one's brand new. And I want to say right here, it's kind of looking kind of, let me see. I don't know if you can see right there. It's looking kind of funny. So, I don't know. If you want to get it, I've heard warranty, they take care of you. Just got to pay some money to it, you know. And that's also where a problem it comes in, you know. If it's such a top of the line product, you know, why do you have to pay for warranty? You know, it's kind of weird. I love it though. So yeah, that's the issue. Which one should I keep? I mean, I would keep all three, you know, but I don't need that many optics. So I gotta figure out which one I'm gonna keep. I don't know if you can tell me in the comments which one would you keep and what's the best feature that you like out of all three of them. Hopefully I can make the right decision. Hopefully you guys can make the right decision if you ever come across needing an optic. I hope you have a good one. Burger Tactical, signing out.